Carpet and Upholstery Cleaning, Richmond Hill, Queensland. Class Carpet Cleaning offers multiple income streams, from carpet and upholstery cleaning to commercial cleaning and more. Servicing Charters towers and surrounding areas for over 30 years, the business offers good growth potential to a younger, fitter buyer. Excellent contracts are in place with local council and businesses, so you'll enjoy an immediate income. Currently invoicing 40 customers a month, the business is also the registered cleaner for Blue Care, Uniting Church Aged Care. The sign-written Toyota Hiace van attracts plenty of new business, with very little advertising required. Run by the current owner since 2002, this proven business comes with everything you need, including training. As a mobile business, there's no rent or lease to worry about, and plenty of tax benefits to enjoy.